Hi, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to connect our SMSHero to our ChatHero account. So let's begin. Now, first, we need to sign up to this SMSHero, or I'll just going to log in using my Google account. Then I'm going to select a specific account. So now, once we successfully here on our dashboard, next thing to do is to add a device. So for the device, we have to secure an Android device. So here are the steps. We need to download and install the APK or the installer. And then the next thing is we're going to scan it for the registration. Now I'm going to switch to my phone to let you see how it should be done. Okay, now so I'm going to find a scanner, and then just going to scan the QR code to access immediately. The first QR code that will pop, this one. Okay, now you can open and install the application. And when it's done, you're going to access it. Click open or tap open. Okay, so now we're here on the application, and it says our device is not registered yet. So we're going to scan the second QR code that is showing on our second step. So just tap on the blue squared figure and then allow the following and scan the second QR code. And that will let you register your account or your device. Okay, there you go. So it's now ready. And the next thing you need to do is we're going to activate by tapping or swiping it on the first icon that we can see. So this one. Okay, I'm just going to allow the reduced battery life. So the background will be dim, so it's hardly to see, but you can see it here because it's screen recorded. So I'll just going to switch back to my um, SMSHero screen. Let me switch back for a while. Okay, there you go. So now we will going to check if our device is ready registered here. Okay, so as you can see, it's successfully registered here. So the next thing to test is let's go to our messages and let's type a quick SMS here. So I'll be just going to use my personal phone number. So don't forget to add the area code. So set as automatic, then going to switch it to SIM2 because my SIM card is in the second slot. So I'll just going to type in So I'll be going to send a message here. So don't forget to activate your phone in order for you to receive the message. Okay, so it seems that it actually received. So let me transfer to the device for you to for you to see the notification. So always make sure that the application is active. There, as you can see, the message was sent, and seeing here that it's completely sent correctly. Okay, let's go back. So don't forget to switch it back. Always make sure that the device is always active in order for us to receive the message. Okay, now I'm switching back to my screen. So the next step we need to do is going to the tools. We need to add the API keys here. So for the API keys, I will be I will be providing the code, which is this. I'll be attaching this one in our description box below. So we have to attach this one in our ChatHero account under SMS settings. Let me go ahead and check it. SMS campaigns and SMS API settings. I'm sorry. Okay, let's prepare that one. And now let me pull it back, the code. And the first thing we need to do is to get the API keys here. In order for us to get those keys, we have to go to the tools and create the API key. So SMSHero, this is just a sample. And it's going to get these and click submit. So now once you finish creating the API key, you can just click on this symbol key here. So now it's already copied. Then go back to the code. So include the bracket as well and then paste it. The next is our phone number. So it should be 63 without the plus, then add the 10 digits for, okay. The next is our device ID. So to get the device ID, you go to the device settings and then input the number or ID. It's 75. So I'll place it with 75 and then the SIM slot that you have load or it's active. So mine is 2 and then going to use it later. Okay, so now we already have the code. Let's go back. Let's copy it first. And then click on this. Always make sure that your device is active, or I mean the SMSHero application is active. Because once you forgot to activate it, it won't allow us to send or receive any message. Okay, I'm pasting the code here and send an analysis. or the test and call or message. Okay, so it seems that we have the message. Um, this one should be the destination. And save it. Okay, let me check it again. Okay, that's good. So now, once we're already done with this, let's go back here. I mean, just go back, just stay in there. And let me pull up the application. Okay, so now I'm here at the device right now. So we received earlier the code. So it says here that love SMSHero, that's the code, the test that we made earlier. Now let me pull it back and send a test. You can just click on the send test SMS here. You can add this one. Sample 1, 2, 3, and okay. Now it's sending. So there you go. We receive our message. So it works. Great. So I will let you see the screen of my device to for you to check that it works. Okay. So here's the message. So I think that's all. And thank you for watching and have a great day. Goodbye.